Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2019 350 Realm. Brand new model for us. We're just getting them in. We've just got 2 or 3 of them in now. We're rocking and rolling with it. We're selling them as quick as we're getting them in. Let's take a quick peek. While we're on the back of the boat, it's powered by triple 350s. And plenty of power. Gets it right up on plane. It's got a big top end. It's closer to 50 miles an hour on the top end. And it's a great performing boat. And let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 35 Realm. Let's take a peek at the back of the boat. The boat does fish well, so it's got fish boxes. It also has a leaning post here when you're fishing in the back. Rod holders. If you aren't fishing, you're just going to take this. You're going to pull it out. Very solid, very strong. That's why it's a little stiff coming out, but you've got the really beefy hardware on it. It's an excellent seat. You've got a high back, you've got a long seating area, so it's very supportive underneath your body for a comfortable ride. If you are fishing, I have a fish box over here, immediately located, and then we've got the dive door. The dive door is fantastic. If you want to, if you're fishing and you're trying to bring the fish up and over, you tend to lose them. You can drag them in right into the fish box. Your odds of getting the fish on the boat securely are much better. And you do have a rail when you're coming up. If you want to use the swim ladder, it's conveniently located right here. I take it off with the, unloose the bungees, hook it on there. It's a 4-step ladder. Fantastic, very strong, very supportive as well. As we move back this way, you've got a seat coming this way. It faces this way. I've got a table that comes in here, so if you've got people sitting on both directions, you've got a table down between. And then I've got a large cooler inside, and then so you can ice that down with as much beverage that you want to bring on the boat. It's going to be more than enough to hold whatever you need for the day. Then we also have the seat here, faces this way, and we'll bring it back like this. Forward-facing seat we're going to look at in just a minute. Got the grill, and it's just flips over for a prep area here, but a fantastic grill, drink holders, sink, set up very well for entertaining in the back of the boat. And as we move towards the helm area, you're going to see the seat here as well. Now it's facing forward. And it's got a table that will come out here, so it'll pop up. You've got a footrest on here, and we've got a footrest down here. As we move towards the helm seat, what a really nice feature, very few helm seats do this. You can take it, and you can spin it, which is just fantastic. Now you've got the table that hooks up here. You've got 4 people sitting here having something to eat, playing cards, hors d'oeuvres, whatever you may have. Fantastic feature that this spins around. Bring it back around. As we move to the helm area, it's got pretty much everything you're going to need. You've got the 2 large Raymarine touchscreens, all your rockers up front. You've got the digital throttle-ship. You've got the joystick with, I can bring this boat sideways with it. It's got the auto heading. It's an autopilot. It's a point and shoot. It's fantastic. And it has the sky hook where it will lock you in place. If you're getting your lines out and your fenders and all that stuff, or even a sunset at the end of the night, you go sit up front, you point it at the sun, it locks you in, you don't have to use the anchor. It's fantastic. Let's move towards the cabin. We've got the mood lighting on in here, as you can see. It's got a skylight that we have covered right now, but nice seating area down here, TV. This turns into a bed, so this is a 2-person, very comfortable bed here. And then we've got the head. And again, we've got all the mood lighting on. We've got the handheld shower, you've got the vacuum flush, a little teak seat that folds down. So very nice head, and with air conditioning in there as well. So air conditioned cabin and everything else. Valve. Beautiful lounge area. Seats 4 adults up here very comfortably with armrests, drink holders, a rocking sound system, and you also have the forward seating as well. So there you are. We got the 35 Realm, fantastic boat. if you want to come and see it, make an appointment, please call me. My name is Bob Freeman. It's 603-213-1194.